Think you know everything about trucks? Think again. Trucks are more than just big engines rolling down the highway. They're technological marvels, engineering feats, and the lifeblood of global commerce. But there are so many misconceptions about them that it's time to set the record straight. From their engines to their drivers, let's bust the myths and reveal the truth about these incredible machines. Stick around because you'll never see trucks the same way again. When most people think about trucks, they imagine oversized vehicles with a big engine and wheels. But this couldn't be further from the truth. Modern trucks are incredibly sophisticated, often outclassing even luxury cars in terms of technology. Take Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS, for example. These systems use radar, cameras, and sensors to help trucks stay in their lanes, avoid collisions, and even brake automatically in emergencies. Then there's telematics, a technology that lets fleet managers monitor truck performance in real time, tracking everything from fuel efficiency to maintenance needs. And let's not forget about GPS integration, which helps drivers plan the most efficient routes and avoid delays. Some trucks are even dipping their wheels into semi-autonomous capabilities. That's right, these aren't just big rigs, they're rolling computers. So next time someone tells you trucks are simple, remind them they're dealing with machines more complex than most luxury cars. Everyone loves talking about horsepower, but here's the thing, for trucks, horsepower isn't the star of the show. Torque and efficiency are what really matter. You see, trucks need to pull massive loads, and that means they rely on their engines to deliver torque at low RPMs. Combine this with the right gearbox ratios and rear axle configurations, and you have a machine capable of hauling tens of thousands of pounds. For instance, a truck with 400 horsepower but excellent torque and optimized gear ratios can outperform one with higher horsepower but less torque. It's all about balance. The next time someone brags about a truck's horsepower, remind them that it's torque and smart engineering that get the job done. The image of trucks as fuel-hungry monsters is outdated. Yes, trucks consume fuel, but they're also moving massive loads. Loads that would take multiple vans or cars to transport, burning far more fuel in the process. When you look at it that way, trucks are incredibly efficient. Modern trucks are designed with aerodynamics in mind, reducing drag and boosting fuel economy. There are also innovations like hybrid drivetrains, electric trucks, and alternative fuels like LNG and hydrogen that are transforming the industry. These advancements mean that trucks are becoming cleaner and more efficient every year. In fact, many modern trucks can travel over 7 miles per gallon, which might not sound impressive until you consider they're hauling 80,000 pounds. Trucks aren't the problem, they're part of the solution for efficient transportation. Picture this: long hours, endless highways, and a constant battle against tight schedules and heavy regulations. This is the life of a truck driver, and it's anything but easy. Truckers often work 11-hour shifts, spending weeks away from their families. They navigate not just highways, but also strict rules about rest breaks, weight limits, and delivery deadlines. And let's not forget the mental and physical toll. Staying alert for hours on end requires intense focus, and the sedentary lifestyle poses health challenges like back pain and weight gain. Truckers are the unsung heroes of the economy, moving everything from food to medicine to construction materials. Yet their job is often underappreciated. The next time you see a truck on the road, remember that behind the wheel is someone sacrificing a lot to keep the world moving. Self-driving trucks make headlines, and while the technology is exciting, it's far from replacing truck drivers. Why? Because trucking involves more than just driving straight down the highway. Truckers make complex decisions every day. They navigate bad weather, tricky loading docks, and unpredictable traffic situations. Can a robot decide how to handle a narrow, icy mountain pass or load cargo in an unbalanced trailer? Not yet, and maybe not for a long time. Even with automation, the human element will remain essential. Technology will likely assist drivers rather than replace them, making their jobs safer and more efficient. So no, truckers aren't going anywhere. With headlines about driver shortages and economic pressures, you might think the trucking industry is on its last legs. But that couldn't be further from the truth. Trucking is the backbone of global supply chains, and its resilience is remarkable. Consider this: over 70% of goods in the United States are transported by truck. Without trucks, shelves would go empty and businesses would grind to a halt. Yes, the industry faces challenges, but it's also evolving. Companies are investing in better trucks, training programs, and technologies to attract new drivers and improve efficiency. The trucking industry isn't dying, it's transforming. It's adapting to new demands, embracing innovation, and proving why it's indispensable to modern life. So there you have it, the biggest myths about trucks, busted. From their advanced technology to the critical role of truckers, these machines and the people who drive them are far more fascinating than most people realize. What do you think? Did any of these myths surprise you? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep the wheels turning.